In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can edit an image in PicsArt so that it looks like a drawing. I have an image right here, and what we need to do is we need to import the image into PicsArt. After we have done that, we click on Effects right here. And now we need to scroll to Magic. And as you can see, there are many types of drawings right here. For example, sketchy, we can use this effect, it will load. And the effects will look a little bit extreme. So on this fade option, we can make it a little bit more realistic. There are also, many different styles of painting that we could use. For example, something like this looks good, I think. We can also use this. So basically, you just need to try out an effect. And if you like it, you can obviously adjust it a little bit with this fade option. After you're happy, you can click this here and it will download it and save the image to your phone gallery. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.